Okay, so we're doing something here that I've never done before because, frankly, I've never received one before. Um, a client that doesn't very much do email, so she decided to send me something instead. I go, hey, can I have a review? And so she sent me a review, old school. So here's the review. I love it. It's like I said, I've never had one of these before. So we're doing this now on the fly, if you will. So we'll see what she says, right? So these are from some of my clients that I recently closed on, where I did happen to have the seller, and you know, what's it called? It was one of those deals where it's just we're happy that it got done. They needed to sell it, the buyers wanted to buy it, and we're just happy that it got done. So she sent me the review. Let's look at it. Let's unbox it, if you will. So here's clients from Minnesota. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. So get these little thank you card right here. It says, "Dear Luciano, thank you so much for all your help. Love, Connie and Ed Gersich. Hope to see you sometime in Texas again." And this is from Connie and Ed again. This is an actual letter that they wrote out. You know, a little letter right there. It's got my face right here. Someone's name my face. Boom. All right. This was written on May 5th. Dear Luciano. All right. So yeah, that was a little bit. I had to go back and reread this. Some rewriting. Reread this. Read this before I came on here. Right. So it says. Anyways, the letter says this. Dear Luciano, I would like to thank you and highly recommend you for the best realtor I have ever dealt with in selling my property in Donna, Texas. You went way out on your job to help me sell my property as I was busy getting, and this gets a little bit personal, so I won't say too much here. But she had to take care of some things, right? So, anyways, here in Benjamini, Minnesota, I just can't thank you enough for all you did, and I would recommend you as a realtor for anyone trying to sell property. Love, Connie and Ed. And again, it's handwritten note. You know, how often do we get handwritten notes? You know, maybe I can't post this on my Google reviews, or maybe it doesn't go on my Google reviews, but I'm definitely gonna post this somehow. Just of course remove that personal line there. And everything else, you know, I'm gonna post this and I'm gonna save this because this means a lot. You know, sometimes we think that we're just selling homes, but we're really helping people. I think that means a lot to be able to help people. You know, when I got into the education world, or into the education business, you know, I got in it for what I thought was, you know, to help others, you know, do the math and understand the math and whatnot. And I got into football, obviously, because I played football at the university. You guys can tell. I got my stuff back here, my footballs, and I got my jerseys back there. More of the stories, I like to help. You know, there's a conning and helping. But you know, if you need any assistance with buying or selling a house, let me know. Feel free to reach out 956-476-2925 or call me personal line 956-862-1556.